Hey kids, join us on our next adventure. We are the boys around here.
We're going to rescue!
Hey buddy, oh look what I found.
What?
Look, come here.
Okay.
It's a piece of a snake skin. Now look at that. It's a piece of a snake skin. Grab it and show it to everybody. Do you know why snakes shed their skins? Because a couple times a year they molt. And then
A deer print.
yeah, it's a deer print or a deer track. It's hot, buddy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hey, let's go to the creek and cool off. You want to?
So.
Okay, come on, let's go.
Okay.
Does it seem like the ATV is leaning a little bit?
What?
Seems like the ATV is leaning a little bit. No? Cal, does something feel weird on the Ranger? Seems like it's leaning. Oh wow, Cal, look at that. Look, the tire, I think we're getting a flat. I think we're getting a flat, but let's try to make it to the creek.
Okay.
Can you hear it? Hey Jones, what do you think about our tire? You ready? Whoa! Oh yeah! Cal, look, the creek. I'm so hot.
Yay!
But the four-wheeler feels a little weird. Cal, the Ranger, oh my gosh, Cal.
What?
Cal, oh no, we've got a huge problem. That's totally flat. Uh-oh, we've got a big problem here. What should we do? Tires are made of thick rubber filled with air, but if you have a flat tire, which means there's a hole in the rubber and it's letting all the air out, you shouldn't drive on that wheel anymore because it can damage the metal rim. So you need to fix the tire. And the first thing that you do to fix the tire is to air it up. What should we do? Drive on a flat tire? Air it up with a straw? Or should we walk back to the house and grab an air pump? I tell you what, here's what we should do. We're gonna have to walk back to the house, but it's too hot and it's too far to go all the way back around where we came. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna have to walk back through the creek. Hey, look. Hey, Cal, come here. I gotta show you this compass.
Okay.
Look, hey, Cal. Compasses are very handy tools. They always point north due to the Earth's magnetic pull. So you need to figure out which direction you need to head and find north. Then east is to the right, west is to the left, and south is to the bottom. In this case, we know we need to head north, so we're going to follow the direction of the red arrow. We know that the house is north of here, so do you know what a compass does? A compass shows us which way is north. What started out as just a fun little get in the creek and find some crawdads has become a major ordeal. At least we've got cool water. Could be worse. Look at that, Cal. What do I see? What kind of animal is that?
A bear.
Guess what? It looks kind of like it's black and white, kind of like a...
Maybe it's a deer.
No. You know deer. Deer have hooves.
I think it's a cow.
Okay, kids, what makes these tracks? Is it A, an elephant track? Is it B, a zebra track? Or is it C, a raccoon track? The correct answer is C, a raccoon track. Yay! What gets in the trash cans, they have bushy tails and they're black and white.
A zebra.
A raccoon! It's a raccoon, yeah. Come on, I'm gonna get a big stick. Yeah, no, look, I'll get a stick and this way, look. Haha, what's this? Okay, say bye-bye to your stick. Well, you let it go, Bubs. Say bye-bye. We might find it in a few years. Cal, will you say home sweet home? Home sweet home. Cal, I am so tired. Whew.
My leg hurts.
Yeah, I hurt too. My legs hurt because we walked a mile through the creek to get back. But now, guess what, Cal? We still have to go rescue the Ranger. We've got a huge problem. That's totally flat. You know what I think we should do? I have a big idea. We're gonna have to get that backpack, and I'm gonna have to put you in the backpack. Then we're gonna have to get on this bike, and we will take the bike with you in the backpack and our tools to the Ranger. Jones can run. Then when we fix the Ranger, we will put the bike in the back of the Ranger, and we'll all drive back here. Then you know what we'll do?
Huh?
We'll probably go to sleep, 'cause we're gonna be so tired. Does that sound like a plan?
Maybe.
All right, it's a plan.
I don't want it.
Here, go. Woo! Let's see if you can do this. Sit right here. Kyle, this is gonna be silly. You think it's gonna work? Oh yeah, it's gonna work. All right, wave to the camera. Kyle, is that very comfortable? Yeah. All right, here we go. Come on, Jones. Come up. Love electric bikes. Hold on, Bubs. We got it. Oh, that was slippery. Come on, Jones. Look out, Jones. All right, Cal, look at this. I brought a tire inflator, but I haven't used it in forever. I don't think I've ever used it, and I hope it works. You think it'll work?
Yeah.
Look, buddy, we got to air up this tire. I hope this works, buddy.
I hope it does.
So look, I turn the key on and I plug that in. Let's see if this works. Oh my gosh. All right.
What?
All right, we'll find where the leak is later, but that ought to get us home. Kyle, it's gonna be pretty wild. You ready? Oh yeah. We got the bike loaded up, we got the tire patched, and now let's head back to the house.
Okay.
What do you think, Jones? Hey Cal, you gotta keep an eye on the bike and make sure it doesn't fall out. Is it good? Look, Cal, it's the house.
Yeah.
But first, we've got to fix the tire. Now look, so we're gonna fix it with green slime.
Can I do it?
Yeah.
Green slime is a product that you can buy. You pump it into the tire and it fills the hole and it won't let air escape. It fixes the tire.
And watch this. We're gonna unscrew this. And now be careful not to lose the core. Look at this. This is an ATV. It says 24 ounces. And one squirt is 1 ounce. So we need 24. Yep, put that on there. Okay.
Okay.
All right, okay. 1, 2, 23, 24. Watch this. I'm gonna take this valve stem and I'm gonna put it back in. Put it right on there.
Okay.
Okay, now you punch that.
Okay.
Ready? Now watch the whole tire pump up. Good.
Wow, what started out as an easy trip to go look for some arrowheads became a full-fledged adventure. Some might even call it a fiasco. Do you know what a fiasco is? That's when you do something and it seems like everything goes wrong. But if you try hard, you can work their problems out and get through it, just like we did. Now we're back at the house and we're just tired and hungry, but we had a great day.
Buddy, we did it.
Hey, Dad,
What?
we're going to get a snack and watch a movie.
Get a snack and watch a movie?
Yeah.
That sounds like a good idea.
And take a little nap.
Do you think you could carry me in there?
I don't know.
Do you think Jones will go?
No.
Hey y'all, if you like this adventure and want to see more, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you soon.
Hey, let's go to the creek and cool off. Totally flat. All right, Cal, we got our fishing poles. Cal, look at that. Worms?
Dad.
What?
I'll be white filming.